I'm liking having the pond because the pond is my proof to know when I have frost nights. Whenever I have a nice night of frost, everything freezes. So everything Legend have in there is frozen, which is pretty cool to witness. And the gladiola bulbs are coming up here also. So they're right on time. Right on time. After the frost, here comes the gladiola bulbs. More gladiola bulbs. Here's a pop of color on this beautiful magnolia before I head to some warm weather. For anyone who have never visited Clearwater Beach, the sand is the softest sand I've felt within the United States of America. The sunset is beautiful. Such a beautiful sight. Peaceful beach for the grown folks. Now back to the garden.
Happily a family, fun gardening.
Frost moment. Everything underneath was protected. On top we have frozen ice. That's when you done it the right way. Underneath, flowers are warm, a little bit cold to the touch, but as you can see, the elephant ears doesn't have the frost on the leaves. It's pretty warm up underneath. I have one more night. Frost on top of the cardboard boxes. These are insulated with heat. No damage underneath. Oh, I actually have new growth. When it's the benefit of protecting your plants. Have one more night. Oh, it's a little, oh, see, and the frost was here. And so as you can see, it's like some ice right there. So, for the most part, I don't see ice anywhere else. But yeah, just a few smushed plants. They'll be all right. Still have my broken container out here. Everything else is looking good. Sunlight can get down off in there. I'm gonna leave these here throughout this daytime. Yeah, I don't want to come out and change up everything. Oh, my hydrangea leaves are just cold. They cold. They were a little brighter green yesterday, so they are darker to the touch than what they were. Oh, but the new growth and the leaves up top are all doing fairly well. This container, I just threw some stuff on top of it for now. The prime roses have survived. Had a little storm damage. I'm not even about to deal with all this until tomorrow. Everything else newly planted. Oh, the color changed on these. I should have put some pots down. Oh no. These are my favorites. But they're still alive. They just turn colors. Good job. Oh, Legend, what about this one? Good job, baby. Good job. I'm going to plant eventually some hostas up in this area, but that won't probably be this year. Who knows? I always say it won't be, but then it began to be. And look here. I forgot that there were some in the ground that are now starting to sprout. A surprise, surprise. So I did find one planted underneath the stone. And there's a little damage to the leaves, but they'll bounce back. Oh my gosh, what a happy surprise. I added one in here that I found. So most of these I am just finding. Now that they're sprouting up, I found this one. All of these were over in this area. I moved some last year. So now I need to come back and mulch in the locations that I've moved. But, oh, this is a no-no. I want to try forming roots off of this. So I'm going to actually surround this Japanese maple, try to graft it from the tree itself. I did do some containers. Nothing major. Just potted up some plants that were lingering around. This is so beautiful. This is going to be my next hobby. I'm walking towards the crowd. So you know that I did not run in this race. But this is going to be my next hobby. Oh my gosh. At my professor, Miss Deborah. I wish I could have met you out here, but this is beautiful. Wow. That's beautiful. We're in Tampa, Florida. The sound of metals. Oh, so beautiful.